Hello students, this is Mr. Gonzalez. Starting the week of April 6th to April 10th, we're going to be using a new form to document how we use our computer programs. I've created this form right here that is called 2019-2020 Computer Programs Weekly Checklist. It's actually very simple to use, and let me go ahead and explain. If you see on the left hand side right here, you're gonna see the week of April 6th to April 10th. The dates are also listed over here on the bottom, which is on this tab right here. Now, all these programs are gonna be used for this week. So the way it works is when you go to iStation, you go to iStation, you click on this link that says Reading with iZip. You're going to work with iStation Reading with iZip for 20 minutes every day. Once you're done with the 20 minutes, you're going to come to this form and you're going to go ahead and check in Monday that you're done for the first day. Then you're going to move on to the next one. Right here, it's going to be the link for books. Now, let me tell you, this link is optional, mainly because this one is just a link that you can use as a resource for ebooks. So whenever you have to read your 20 minutes to self at home, you can either read a book of your choice, you can read a book from the iStation books, which is from here, or you can actually read a book from Raz-Kids or Kids A through Z, which we have over here on the bottom. Okay. Either way, if you read a book on your own, that's fine. Just go ahead and you don't have to document any of this. You can just send me a quick message saying I read a book on my own, and this is the title of my book. Right. If you read one of these books from any of these programs, either Raz-Kids or iStation books, then I want you to go ahead and select Monday, right, or whatever day you read the book from any of these programs. So let's say on Monday you read a book from iStation books, and then on Tuesday you want to switch and you want to read a book from Kids A through Z. Then just go ahead and put Tuesday, and that's fine, because as long as you have one of these, it's fine. And like I said, even if you don't have one of this, but you read a physical book that you have at home, then that's fine too. Just go ahead and send me a message. Hey, Mr. Gonzalez, I went ahead and read this book that I have at home, and this is the title, and this is the author. Okay. Now, after that, you're gonna see also inside iStation, you're gonna see another link that is called Writing Rules. Okay, you're gonna work on this link every day for 20 minutes. Now this link is going to help you with writing skills. It's going to help you how to formulate paragraphs. It's going to help you how to write complete sentences. So this is a very useful tool that we could use. So when you're done, you go ahead and click done. Then while you are in iStation, you can just stay in there and go back to the first page, where you can select this link. This is actually new this year. It's called iPractice. When you click on this link, you're gonna have several additional links after this, which one of them is for science. So work on the science component of this link for 20 minutes. It's actually very good, and it's fun. So once you work on that for 20 minutes, just go ahead and click done. Then finally in iStation, there's another link that's called assignments. Okay, now these assignments I've actually assigned many of the assignments to you guys, but you don't have to work on all of them at the same time. You work on one assignment per day, and that should be fine. You select which assignment you want to work on. As long as you work one per day, we're good. If you decide to leave it for an extra day, that's fine. You can skip, for Tuesday. You can do that, but it will be ideal if you can do one per day, one Monday, one Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Then we move into our math, ST Math. Okay, now as you know, you log in through ST Math. with through the Google portal or to the NIZ portal. And same thing, you go into ST Math for 20 minutes each day, and once you're done with that, just go ahead and come over here and check in, done for Monday, and done for Tuesday, and so on. Same thing with Imagine Learning. Now, I understand that not everybody does Imagine Learning, and that's fine. If you do work on Imagine Learning, and I need you to work on them 20 minutes a day, I'll go ahead and put the check marks every time you work on Imagine Learning. Do not put the check marks ahead of time, please. Go ahead and put the check marks once you've completed working, the 20 minutes, once you completed the work. Lexia, not everybody works in Lexia. Also, just if you are assigned to Lexia, go ahead and check, Monday, Tuesday, and so on as you're working the programs. Do not check these boxes ahead of time, please. I'm going to be checking every day, actually at the end of the day, who's completing what. And please, I don't want to see you guys checking the boxes ahead of time. So for example, if you're on a Monday, there's no reason for you to be checking Tuesday or Wednesday because we're not there yet. Please do it after you complete the assignment. Once you do that, I'm going to be checking, and I'm going to go to be writing some notes here on the teacher feedback. Okay? If you have any questions regarding this, you can send me a note. Right here is this additional note. You can send me a note. Each one of you has an individual form. So you cannot see your friends and from the class, so that's fine. We can communicate through this form as well. So there you have it. If you have any questions regarding this form, before I forget, so this is going to be for week April 6th to April 10th. So what about the following week? Well, if you come down here, you're going to see the next week, April 13th to the 17th. And then the following week, April 20th to the 24th, April 27th to May 1st, May 4th to May 8th, May 11th to May 15th, and so on. Okay, we're gonna be using this for as long as we need to. This is gonna be a simple, easy way to document what you're doing with your computer programs. So if you have any questions, please send me a message, and I'll gladly answer any questions you may have. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Thanks.